Okay, this is how to cook chicken and chips. Get 2 potatoes, trawler, on a big commercial fishing trawler. I was the galley hand, and I had to peel potatoes, like huge big buckets full of them for all the crew. And this is how I was taught, a little knife like this, and you just whip the skins off like this. This is how you do it fast. Get a potato, chop the ends off like this. It's not very light in here. And then you stick like that and just go down the sides, nice and quick. Yep. Chop them in half down the middle. Herbs and spices in here. Get some spices off of the spices. Lovely. See that? Extra virgin oil. Just a little bit. You get your chicken bits frozen. Unfreezing really. It should be unfrozen really, but you'll be surprised. Back to the fire. Check it out, baby. Look at that. This is a good fireplace, this. This is a very good fireplace. What's going on there? I might have to chuck a bit of wood on there. Chuck that in. And there. Put that on that side. Now, once this gets going roaring, it's going to be fucking awesome. Pretty damn dark. Cool. Ooh, shut that. Better shut that. Okay. Right. That's a duck. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, I might just take that out. Look at that. Woo! We're starting to cook. That honey smells good. Ooh, yum. You know what? I'm going to throw some vegetables on here. I always buy those big packet of beans and I chuck them in with the stir fry. Anyway, that's mostly beans. That'll do. Chuck this back in the oven. It needs to get a bit more browny. Give it a bit more. Okay, we're off again. I'd say it's ready now, so go to the oven. Oh, look at that, yum, look at that. Woo! That. Yeah, oh, wait, ready. Spoon, get the spoon on. It smells delish. And these chicken bits. Yum. That sauce looks good too. Let's taste it, just I'm not sure. Yep, there's a bit of salt. Put this bit of chicken in here now. Roll it around in the sauce, in the honey sauce. I'm going to cook this. Eat the rest of that food in there. Don't worry. Can do it for a little bit more. So what do you reckon? Does that look good or what? Yum, yum, yum.